One crucial component is the importance of medical necessity and documentation. Documentation of medical necessity is an important aspect of patient care. It's used to coordinate services among medical professionals, improve patient care, comply with regulations, support the healthcare claims that are billed, and reduce improper payments. According to CMS, to be considered medically necessary, a service must be safe, effective, and require a provider's skill, have the duration and frequency that's appropriate based on the standard practices for that diagnosis and/or treatment, that it also meets the medical needs of the patient. In addition to ensuring that the documentation is meeting medical necessity and meeting the medical needs of the patient, is your provider's documentation meeting CMS Medicare requirements? Is it capturing the elements and components required under the LCD, LCA, or NCDs? If this is the first time you've heard of those acronyms, you should be worried. You should be very worried.